Hello, welcome to the sky this week. In this, we brief about the visible objects in the night sky, which may help you in locating them. Now, we will look at the evening sky of the week. Cassiopeia constellation will be above the horizon, using which we can locate the pole star and hence identify cardinal directions. Try to identify Ursa Minor constellation using pole star, which happens to be the brightest star in that constellation. In the northeast, you can identify Perseus with its two bright stars, Murphag and Algol. Also, you should be able to see Pleiades of Taurus next to it. Planet Mars, which rises around 4 pm, will be high in the eastern sky. Bright stars Achernar or Vaitharni of Eridanus or Vaitharni constellation and Fomalhaut or Meenakshi of Pisces Austrinus or Dakshina Meenu can be seen in southeast. Brilliant Jupiter and Saturn will be in eye sky towards southwest. Stars of Summer Triangle, Deneb, Vega and Altair can still be seen in northwestern sky. In the pre-dawn sky, as moon is in the last quarter of the lunar month, waning moon, which rises later in the midnight, can be used as guide to locate the objects and constellations. On 9th of November, crescent moon will be in constellation Leo or Simha, near bright star Regulus or Maga. On 10th, moon is in Leo, now near the star Zosma or Purva Palguni. On 11th, moon is still in Leo but now near the star Denebola or Uttara. On 12th, moon will be in Virgo or Kanya. On 13th of November, moon will be with Venus in Virgo near the bright star Spica or Chitta. On 14th of November, moon and Mercury will be close to each other in Virgo. Brilliantly shining Venus is seen in the east. On 13th, moon and Venus will be seen together. Mercury rises around 5 am and reaches its highest point in the sky on 10th of November. Towards south, second brightest star of night sky, Canopus or Agastya, is seen. Brightest star of night sky, Sirius or Lubdaka, will be in southwest. Near to this easily identifiable constellation, Orion, the hunter, will not fail to attract your attention. In the north, Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper can be easily identified. Notice that Cassiopeia is now set. Hence, the two stars of Saptarishi Mandala can help us to locate the pole star.